Okay guys, today I will tell you how to solve this Rubik's Cube. And first of all, what you have to do is complete this cross white, 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 and make sure here is blue matching blue, blue, white, white, orange, orange, white, white, green, green, white, white, red, red, white, white. So first of all you have to make this cross for white and making sure these pieces are also matching with these pieces. So let's do it. See this one, red, bring it up here and then move it like this. So red, red, white, white. Now find another white piece, it's here, and match its color and just rotate it. So now find another piece of white, it's here, just rotate it and it's already there. Now for this one piece is left, it's already here, so just move it and this cross is complete. This cross and these pieces are also same colors. Just you have to see these colors, do not worry about these corner pieces right now. Well, once you have completed this cross of white and these all pieces are matching, then you can come to these corner pieces of white color. Alright, now you can rotate it upside down. So yellow is up, white is down. Here this piece, red, green, white, see, green, red, white, it has to come here, it has to come here, here, white, red, green, white, red, green, white, green, red. So what you have to do, one side up, one side right, down, left, repeat, up, right, down, left, repeat, up, right, down, left. See, is here. This is very important movement, but be careful, one wrong movement will mess everything. Now this is piece, this is another piece, one side is green or one side is orange and one side is white. Let's move it to where it have to come, green, orange, white, green, white, orange. So it's here now, it was here, I moved it to come bring it here. Now one up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. Okay, it's good, it's good. Now let's find another white piece, it's here, white piece, white, blue, orange, blue, orange, white. So it has to come here, this corner. So move it right above, up here. Now up, right, down, left. So it's done. Now we have only one piece left. It's already in right place, but its color needs to, white should go here, blue should come here, and red should move here. Same, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. So our first layer is complete and these are matching colors. All right, this is the first part. If you have had trouble to do this, then you should keep practicing and make yourself perfect to complete this first layer and match these colors. Now the next part is these pieces. So over two layers can be done, one piece, two piece, three and four. What you have to do, first find a piece like this, blue and red. Now match blue with blue one here, blue and red, red is this side, like this have to come here like this. All right, so what you will do, match blue with blue, so red. Now move it away from red, this part, move it away from red. Now up, right, down, left. Once, then this should be facing your palm. This white should be facing your palm. Up, right, down. See, it's done. And our first layer is also very good. Let's find another piece. This blue and orange. Match blue with blue. Okay. Now orange is in this side, so we will move it to other side like this. All right. Like blue is matching. Orange is here, so it have to come here. So we will move it to other side. When we moved it red this side, we started from right side, but now we are moving it to left side, so we will start with left hand. Up, right, down, right. Then white should face your palm of right hand because we started with the left hand. Up, right, down, left. See, good. It's good. Now let's find another piece. This orange and green. Orange is already matching. Green have to come here. This green have to come here. So what we will do we will move it away from this side, and we will start with our left hand. Up, left, down, right. Then face your palm to white. Up, right, down, left. Okay, it's good. Now only one piece is left, that's here. So as you know, it's here. First we have to take it out from here. So to take it out from here, just what you do, always do that. Up, right, down, left. Up, right, down, left. It's here now. Match green with green. Red is up. Now move it away from red because red is upper side, so move it away from red like this. Now up, left, down, right. Now face your right palm. Up, right, down, left. Our two layers are done. Good. Our two layers are done. Now what we have to do? We have to make a yellow cross here. Yellow cross here. Do not worry about these matching blocks pieces right now, but only for this yellow cross. What you have to do? Move it like this. Then up, right, down, left, and bring it back. All right. Now if one straight line is done, you can start from like this. Move it up, right, down, left, bring it back, so yellow cross is ready. Now match the colors whichever possible. See, blue is matching, good. Red is matching, good. And these two colors are not matching. What we will do, we will see the matching colors, red and white and blue. Whatever is matching, keep it on your right hand's palm side. Now what you will do, one up, one right, one down, again right, one up, two left. Match white and bring it down. Alright, now match the colors again. See, all colors are matching. So this cross is also done. Now these pieces are left. First of all, you have to make sure these are pieces in their right spots. Like here you need a piece which have one side blue, one side red, one side blue, one side red, and one side yellow. It's blue, red, and yellow. It's good in right place. This one is in wrong place because here we need orange, blue, and yellow. It's in wrong place. It's also in wrong place because here we need green, orange and yellow, and this one is also in wrong place. So only this one is in right place: red, green, blue and yellow. So whatever is right on right place, keep that in front of your thumb, left or right. If that's in left side, you may start from whatever I am doing from other side. So what you will do: one right, one up, one left, one up, one right, one down, one left, one down. See, blue, orange, yellow, green, orange, yellow, right piece, it's also in right place, it's also in right place. Now we just have to change their directions. So what you will do: this is completely right piece, this is also, and this one is not. So start from here like this, move upside, white color, downside, this piece. So what you will do: up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. Now bring other piece which is not matching. 1, 2. Do not move anything else, only this layer. Up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. Okay, this is done.